Parsley is a herb that is commonly used as a garnish or seasoning in many dishes. It has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties and health benefits. Here are some of the benefits of parsley. Rich in nutrients, parsley is packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, folate, iron, and potassium. Anti-inflammatory, parsley contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help to reduce inflammation in the body. Digestive aid, parsley has been traditionally used as a digestive aid due to its ability to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. Immune booster, the high levels of vitamin C in parsley can help to boost the immune system and protect against infections. Antioxidant, parsley contains flavonoids and other compounds that act as antioxidants, helping to protect the body against damage from free radicals. Bone health, the vitamin K in parsley is important for bone health, as it helps to activate osteocalcin, a protein that is essential for bone mineralization. Oral health, parsley has antimicrobial properties that can help to reduce bad breath and prevent cavities. Overall, parsley is a nutritious herb with a range of potential health benefits. Did you like it? Share the content and subscribe to the channel, it will help a lot.